There's my shadow. All right, so we're all packed up. There's our tent spot, just making sure everything's picked up. Cool. Good morning. We're ready to hit the trail. It is 8:10 and it's 64.5 degrees. What was the humidity?
47% humidity.
47% humidity. There's a slight breeze right now. There was no wind at all night. It was dead silent all night.
Yeah, up until a few minutes ago, the lake behind us was just glass.
Yeah.
And now it's clear, but it's definitely got ripples on it.
Yeah. There's mosquitoes here.
So it's supposed to be 80 something here today, and it's supposed to be 99 or some crazy crap at
Back
home.
Yeah.
So the goal is to get out of here before it gets hot, and then
spend as much time as we can in the air-conditioned car. Drive slow. Yeah, it's about a 3-hour hike out. It's about a 2-hour drive home. Not a biggie.
So we'll get
depending
home.
on that road closure. Hopefully the road's
we'll get
open.
home at the heat of the day again. But
it's it was closer to 1,300 vertical feet, like 1,280 vertical feet. I think yesterday. I'll put it on from yesterday's video, but
that includes the extra walking that we did.
Yeah, just down to the end of the lake and back, which is downhill.
So once again, Gaia's elevation was not the same as Gaia's elevation that it says we actually walked.
Yeah.
So
we're taking a different trail home. We're not taking the PCT. We're taking the Yoran Lake Trail. It goes back to the same trailhead, PCT Willamette Pass trailhead.
You call it Yoran?
Yoran?
I would call it Yoran.
Yoran.
It's Yoran.
That's the Yoran Mountain, right?
Yeah,
it's a nice
Mount
mountain.
Yoran.
Yeah.
And Yoran Lake.
Yeah.
And Yoran Trail.
Yeah, Yoran Lake Trail. Yeah. All right, we'll see you down the trail.
See ya.
You didn't stick your tongue out. Heron Lake over there. I think we're gonna get closer here. Still Heron Lake. Just pretty this morning. Clara's following me around going, let's go, let's go. This is bear grass. Little blooms of seed pods. Yeah, if I stop, there's definitely mosquitoes all over.
You want some more tea?
No, I'm good. Oh yeah, still got tea while hiking. What lake is this? What lake is this? No name on this lake, so we're gonna call it another Minky Bee Lake. Minky Bee. That's him right there. You see him in the camera?
Yeah.
That's him right
in
there.
the camera, but
He's just standing there looking at us while we're looking at him.
let's go. We've seen enough.
Yeah,
Rats.
it's a. She said we've seen enough forest rats. That's a good looking one. Just came out on this road. I got a little road walk. And then we're gonna cut back off onto the trail again, I think.
Not a very smooth road.
Right here, I think. Bridge, bridge, bridge.
Standing at all.
Back on the PCT, this time northbound, back to the car. We still have a little ways to go, but not too far, I don't know. Less than a mile, I think, maybe a mile.
Hi, Justin.
Hi.
How are you liking this hill?
It's exhausting. Oh, here's those tables or chairs.
All right. I don't remember how much uphill we have, but we're in the last mile. I'm gonna guess a mile.
Yeah.
And it's up and down, I think, for the last mile. So we're gonna get at it.
That's Odell Lake. That is a very big lake. And then again, Diamond Peak over here. There's some docks down there on the water. And that is Yoran Mountain, Mount Yoran. Not far now. Almost there. We got road noise. About to cross the highway again. Well, we made it back. Good timing. Made good speed.
.04. Sorry, 0.04.
22 miles. So, if you check back in with us in 2 weeks, we are going to be doing the Timberline Trail loop around Mount Hood. So that's going to be some awesome footage and great experience. All right, here's Claire's back.
20.58.
Awesome.